Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we're at the Canteen in Indiranagar, which is a total throwback to your college days. The coolest thing about this place is you eat by the piece, but you drink by the bottle. So let's check it out. So the Canteen is actually by Vapor, so they've got amazing craft brews on offer, as well as we want to talk about their food. It's super amazing, so you can order things by the piece, so you don't over order. They've also got an amazing assortment of Indian cuisine. Their spices are flown in from Lucknow, so if you want to get some authentic food, then you know where to go. So we had an absolutely amazing time here at the Canteen. Some of the things that we really enjoyed was the food portion, so you can actually order just one piece of each dish on the menu. So you won't have to worry about over ordering, as well as you can order an assortment of dishes for the whole gang to share. We also really love the potli biryani. It actually is one of the most unique items on the menu, super Instagrammable, so if you come here, you have to try it out. Of course, you've got to try the craft beers because we know Vapor is famous for them. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.